Hey guys, just got this box now. Let's open it up. As you can see, the G-Pad DX by Matricom. It says Bluetooth wireless. As you can see, grip feels like it would get a little, my fingerprints will get stuck on it. It's rechargeable. As you can see, Bluetooth. The manual. Let's see. Now, I originally got this for my Fire TV, but I heard you can actually use this for the PS3, the Nexus player, and Android TVs, and a few phones, mobile phones and everything. So it should be really good. Yes, because it says here Android mode and for PC. I'm gonna try this thing on and tell you guys what I think about it. Hey guys, as you can see, I have successfully connected my control to my Firebox TV, which is right there. Now I'm going to show you how it works. Let's go for this game right now. See, it's connected. I could also connect this to a PS3, which I already tried, to a PC, and an Android phone. I don't know why it's doing that. It's probably this game that doesn't want to do it. Okay, let me try something different. Okay, let's try this one because I already tried this game already. The other one I had tried it for the first time, so. Hold on for a second. Okay, there you go. You can see I'm controlling it. now let's go back home. I bought this one. I actually like this controller because it's easy to use on the PS3. It's very easy to use on the PS3. The PC, I don't really have that many games, so I can't really say. But for $17 on Amazon, it's really a really good control. Cheap, not expensive. I didn't have to spend $45 for the Amazon control. Only spend less than $20. You can see I'm controlling it easily. So those who like playing video games, simple video games, not a you could use this for basically anything. Now I heard you could use this for Xbox 360. I'm not sure because I don't have one, but I've heard you can use it. Wouldn't surprise me if you could. Oh, real simple, easy to play. Controls are simple. Now I do wish there were better games on Amazon. Sadly, there isn't. Oh, that was the farthest I had gone on that game. So this is a good game for those who like old school games. You can see, which you could play Sonic 1, 2. Now I haven't connected this on my Fire tablet, which I think you actually can, since it's basically Android as well. So if you want me to try that, just let me know and I'll try it out. At the moment I still haven't tried it, but pretty much sure you could. So I'll leave you guys to it and let me know if you guys want me to try this control on on a PC, or you want to see the proof of the PlayStation. I don't mind showing you guys, but it's up to you guys. Late.